Okay, welcome back. It's the last class of the first level, the end of the beginning, for which I salute and congratulate you for coming this far with us. Many of those who started will have fallen by the wayside. In fact, the vast majority won't have made it to this point. That's the nature of these language courses. So felicidades to you, and I do hope you'll take the decision to keep following the course, come what may, until level 4, where you will achieve a full understanding and practical usage of basic Spanish. So let's crack on with Unit 20. The nationality or language Spanish is español or española.
Español, española.
British is británico or británica.
Británico, británica.
And American is americano or americana.
Americano, americana.
So how would we say, I am British? Soy británico.
Soy británico.
And what about, are you Spanish? ¿Eres español? ¿Eres española?
¿Eres español?
How would we say, he is American? Él es americano.
Él es americano.
What about the question, is she Spanish? ¿Es española? ¿Es española? And how would we ask, is David American? David es americano.
¿David es americano?
Is Carolina Spanish? Carolina es española.
¿Carolina es española?
Earlier in the course we learnt the word for me in the expression para mí, for me. When me is used together with a verb as the object of the verb, for example, see me, tell me, help me, then the word is me. Me, same spelling as in English, different pronunciation. Me.
Me.
How would we say, can you see me? ¿Puedes verme?
¿Puedes verme?
You is te.
Te.
So how would we say, I can see you? Puedo verte.
Puedo verte.
To say or to tell in Spanish is decir.
Decir.
How would we say, I want to say it? Quiero decirlo.
Quiero decirlo.
And how would we say, I want to tell you? Quiero decirte.
Quiero decirte.
She wants to tell me. Ella quiere decirme.
Ella quiere decirme.
How would you ask, "Can you tell me?" ¿Puedes decirme?
¿Puedes decirme?
And the question, "Why can't you tell me now?" ¿Por qué no puedes decirme ahora?
¿Por qué no puedes decirme ahora?